Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this star rainbow bunting. So all you need is a 3mm hook, a yarn needle, some cotton yarn and some scissors. Okay, to start you want to make a slip knot. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slip stitch to the first chain you made. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then in the center of those chains you want to put 2 double crochets. So yarn over, go into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 and 2. Okay, chain 2 and then make 3 double crochets in the center. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the center. 2, 3. Okay, so you want to keep going until you have 5 of these. So chain 2 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, and chain 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to slip stitch to that first chain 3. Okay, then slip stitch to the next stitch. So that's the center. Okay, so now you want to, in this space here, yarn over, do 1/2 double crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, then a double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then a treble crochet, so yarn over twice, go into the space, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, chain 2. So do another triple crochet back into this one. So pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then just a double crochet. And a 1/2 double crochet. And then you want to slip stitch to the center one. So not this one here. Okay, so you want to do that all the way around. So 1/2 double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, chain 2, triple crochet, double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and slip stitch to the center. of the next one. So again, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, chain 2, triple crochet, double crochet, and a half double crochet. Okay, so now that I've done the last one, I just slip stitch into this one here. Okay, and your start is done. So if you want to use this for something else, that's fine. If you want to make the loop, all I do is I just slip stitch up the side. Three. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just want to cut your yarn, and to get the loop, just put my finger in there. Make a knot. Okay, so just make a knot, and then I just hide the yarn tails down here and in the center. I always make yarn tails too small. Right, if you're worried about it coming out, you can just go back through again. Alright. And then the way I loop my bunting together, so you can do it in any colour you like, but I just, this is my daughter's one, I just leave a tail so I can make a loop. I chain 30, and then I loop this one in, and then I chain 20 between each star. Okay, and I've gone red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, and then back the other way. Okay, Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.